What's the meaning of con moto? Con moto. Con moto.
Con moto. Con moto. Con moto is a musical term that instructs the performer to play with motion or movement. It suggests that the tempo should be moderate and lively, creating a feeling of rhythmic flow and energy in the music. This indication can apply to a particular section of a piece or the entire composition. Adhering to the con moto instruction can help convey a sense of forward momentum and drive in the performance. Overall, con moto is a directive for the musician to infuse their playing with a dynamic and expressive quality.